How do you catch coronavirus, better known as COVID? This nasty virus can spread from one infected person to another via their mouth or nose in small liquid particles. Coronavirus is transmitted when a person coughs, sneezes, talks, or breathes. There has been cases where coronavirus lingers on doorknobs and other surfaces such as tables, chairs, but this is not common and this is not a major source of transmission. On hard surfaces, the survival time for coronavirus to last is between 2 hours and up to 9 days. But this all depends on factors such as the room temperature or outside temperature, the humidity and the specific strain of the virus, because some strains are more aggressive than others. Guys, please like and subscribe if you want part 2. Thanks.